Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to me and a couple of my friends who will receive a free sluice this year. I should only need one, but I got three just in case. I will test them. I'll hook two together. I actually run one, run my cleanup through it, see if I have any losses. Then I'll hook two together, see if that eliminates every single piece and if I have no losses. If that don't work, I'll try three, but I think all I'm gonna need is one. These things are sweet. I really expect them to be thicker like the McCormick. I don't know, it seems pretty thin, but it's super light. Alright, y'all, peace. Thanks y'all for watching. Take a second to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. I answer all comments. MVP out.